Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color, it's a dark black color. Let's start. Hexagon, hexagon, semicircle, semicircle, pentagon, pentagon, heart, heart, cross, cross, diamond, diamond.
Let's learn some colors. Black color, light yellow color, orange color, deep green color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, light pink color, red color, purple color, deep yellow color, blue color, pink color.
Now fill color in shapes. Warm gray color, warm gray color, orange color, orange color, cerulean blue color, cerulean blue color, potato brown color, potato brown color, Persian blue color, Persian blue color, vermilion color, vermilion color. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.